Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video. It's time to buy more and more Shiba Inu token. My friends, you know what? Because just look here, the changes occurred in the last 1 hour. Positive 1.25% the price of the Shiba Inu increased just in the last 60 minutes, my friends. So absolutely now from this update, that's clear that Shiba Inu is now start jumps, my friends. So that's why I recommend for everybody that it is time to buy more and more Shiba Inu in the market, my friends. Because now in this time, in the currently situation, the Shiba Inu is in the profit, and I think if you buy now Shiba Inu and hold for the next 1 week, so you get a maximum amount of profit from a Shiba Inu. So especially that's a big opportunity for all short-term investor, my friends. Short-term investor now wake up in the market and buy now more and more Shiba Inu, my friends. And those people who's holding Shiba Inu, so my advice for all of you is also always that hold for a long time. Is how much long you hold, that's same like that you get high amount of profit, my friends. And personally, my opinion is that personally I'm holding Shiba Inu to the end of 2021. Absolutely, if I hold Shiba Inu to the end of 2021, so I'm sure I believe that Shiba Inu will give you good amount of profit. I hope that Shiba Inu possibilities, my friends, possibility that Shiba Inu will going to hit a $1, my friends. You can see from the price chart, that's also clear that you can see, especially in this time on 21st July. On 21st July, the Shiba Inu taken a huge pump. So my friends, if this kind of huge pump is taken by Shiba Inu in the upcoming week, so possibility that they give us a very high amount of profit in the future, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba Inu? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.